Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out dollar eyelashes. $1. Who is she? I'm going to be letting you know my first impressions as well as unboxing. If you want to see how these dollar eyelashes fare, keep on watching. Okay, so I bought the 5D33 series, which is the volume series. I will post a picture up here somewhere in the video so you can see what they're supposed to look like. I just took them out of their packaging. I have not looked at them yet. So this is what the packaging looks like. Very basic. It's a little damaged from transit, and it says the style right here. So that's nice. Okay, so let's open them up. And there's supposed to be 3 different styles in here, so I don't know which one I'm gonna pick. Oh my God. Wow.
Wow.
Okay, first of all, these, let me just tell you this, these were free. The only thing you had to pay was $1 shipping. These lashes were $1, dude, $1. And for $1, like, bitch. Okay, enough of me talking, I'll show you now. So this is what they look like. They're false mink eyelashes. It comes with a lash tool. 3 different styles. I mean, some of them look a little long. Like this one looks a little bit long for me. This one looks tiny bit long, but this one's nice. Yeah, enough of me chatting. Let's cut these down a little bit and apply one of them. I'm feeling them and they feel like any other mink eyelash. It seems like, you know, they're just as good as the Amazon ones that I bought or the ones that you buy at CVS or whatever. I mean, okay, so I will say the lash band is very, very thick. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's super, super thick and it's having a hard time bending. I'm just gonna hold it like this for a couple minutes. I don't know which side is the outside. It doesn't look like there is an outside to me. I don't know. I'm gonna say, I guess you can just wear them however. Ooh, man, those, she thick, like thick. Which side would that look better on though? That's what I'm wondering. That side. I guess we're gonna go with that side. So let me just measure this really quick. Yeah, still a little bit long, so we're just gonna trim a little bit more off. You always want to trim enough off to where it'll fit your eye shape. Like you don't want it poking you in the middle of your eye. It's always good to have a little bit shorter of a lash versus a little bit longer of a lash, if that makes sense. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna trim that down just a tad bit more. Okay, let's try that again. Yeah, okay, that one's better. God, those bands are thick AF. Man, y'all, if you want some thick lashes, these are the ones for you, honey. Now let's go ahead and apply them. I don't know if I want to use, I don't know if I want to use this lash tool or not, but we're gonna try it anyway. So the only thing that I am complaining about right this instant, the only thing that I'm complaining about right this instant is the fact that there's so much glue, like adhesive from the package on the lash band. Do you see that? Other than that, it's okay. I feel like once we put the adhesive on that it's not gonna really matter. So regardless, we're gonna give it a shot. It's a little bumpy. And we're gonna let that dry down for just a couple seconds. Okay, here we go. Oh my God. Okay, you guys, I will say, like the Amazon lashes, these bands are a lot thicker. So if you're not used to wearing lashes, they will bug you. But dude, like, come on, Wish Lash. Damn. Who is she? I love these. These are great. Let's get the other one on so we can see what it looks like all together. My goodness. I will definitely be buying the other styles of these. There's 2 other styles. They vary from those in length. So I probably will buy the shorter ones and I probably will buy the medium ones. These are the longer ones. So I don't suggest these, like I said, for people that have never worn lashes before. They're very easy to apply, but I feel like they will weigh down your eyelid. I love lashes. I love them. Like, honestly, I used to not like lashes at all, only because I didn't know how to properly apply them. And now that, like, I can make almost any pair of lashes work, I'm like, okay, lashes are like my new favorite thing. So I just feel like it enhances your makeup. Like, no matter what you do, if you just pop on a lash, then girl, you're good to go. It's really hard for me not to wear lashes now. Like, I know that sometimes I might look like Miss Piggy with the really long eyelashes, but I love them. I think they look great, especially with this eye look. Like, Lily Lashes, who? God, they go on so easy. Like, what is this? Like, honestly. What kind of sorcery are we dealing with here? Like, really? Come at me and tell me that these aren't perfect. You cannot see the lash band at all. Like, if you put a good wing on there, it's thick enough to where it masks it. Like, I can't even see where my natural lashes are. Can you guys tell? I love these. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna keep them on the rest of the day. I'm gonna check in with you guys a little bit later and we're gonna see how it fares. Personally, I have had them on for, you know, a couple minutes now and I have already forgotten that they're there. Like, really. What was I gonna say? It's a look. It is a look. Hey everyone, welcome back. So I just figured I would check in with you guys. I've been wearing these for almost 4 hours now. I don't see any signs of lifting. However, I feel like the length is very inconsistent. I don't know if you can see on this side it's real short, this side it's real long. And I did put them on the right eyes, just so you know. They weren't marked or anything, but I can kind of tell, like, lengthwise of the lashes, like where to put them. So I do notice a little bit of inconsistency right there. Other than that though, I feel like they're great. It's a freaking $1. It's not like you have to go spend that $1 on these. I'm just saying that these are really good for $1 and they're comfortable. Like, I haven't been poked. They fit perfect. I mean, as long as you trim them down, they're great. I love them. I think that this is a win for Wish, which is like the only win in my book for Wish so far. And I will definitely be purchasing more of these lashes. I think that they're really nice. I like the style, although I'm really excited to give the other ones a try. Although they are way, way longer than these, I do like these. So anyways, I think I'm gonna go ahead and purchase both sets of the other ones and maybe I'll review them on my channel again. I don't know, who knows, we'll see. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, post links to things that you'd like me to try and I will give it my best. Other than that, yeah, thank you so much for being here. I love you guys so much and I will see you in the next video.
Leia.
Leia. Hi. Are you tired? Are you tired, girl? Are you tired? Yes. Look at that suspicious face. She's so suspicious. She's so suspicious. Yes, she is. Oh, God.